technology again. It must be a Monday morning thing. Good morning, everybody. Let's start that again. Good morning, Glenelg Grove.
Good.
Beautiful. So nice to see you all on the camera. So I'd like to start by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land and pay my respects to the elders, both past and present and future, for they hold the memories, the traditions and the culture and hopes of Indigenous Australia. We're not going to do the national anthem again this morning with the lag. I think it would sound pretty horrible. But we have got some captains to help me this morning. Can you see them? Give them a wave. Give them a wave, captains. Wave. Addison. I've got Addison and Dylan this morning to help us. So let's start with some messages for all of the mums and dads. And boys and girls, you need to listen carefully because these messages might be for you too. So I'm going to send home some order forms if you would like to order a sports house shirt. I know we've got some boys and girls that want them. So I will send home order forms for boys and girls that don't have one. If you want to get a second one, you need to come to the office to get an order form. This Friday we're doing Pajama Day, so you can come dressed in your pyjamas on Friday, but you need to bring a gold coin so that you can make a donation to Student Council. It's a fundraiser for Student Council. Make sure that the pyjamas you're wearing are appropriate for school and they're still sun safe. And if you're wearing your warm woolly flannelette jammies, you might want to bring something cool to change into because it is still getting quite warm during the day. So that's this Friday. You can wear your pyjamas, but we'll do some more reminders during the week. Next week we're doing STEM Day. We're going to do the activities from term 1 that we missed out on doing. And we're also doing Pizza Day on Thursday next week. Not this week, next week. So I will send some information and order forms will go home from PNC about that. Parents, last week we sent home invoices for your book list books. If you were paying term by term, if you could pay that money as soon as possible for this term, that would be appreciated. We also sent home some absence letters for any unexplained absences. So if you can complete that and send it back as soon as possible, that'd be fantastic. And also if you could let the office know if any of your contact details have changed. So we've had some phone numbers that we haven't been able to get through to parents on, or email addresses, or if you've moved. If you could let the office know so we can make sure we stay in touch with you. All right, so I have got some certificates, and this week, boys and girls, your teachers have your certificates to give to you when your name is called. So Addison and Dylan will call out certificates, and they've got a piece of paper that they're reading off. So you get your certificates live on air. So who's doing academic? Addison. You're going to have to use a big voice, Addison.
Okay.
Here we go, looking for those people with academic certificates for this week.
Prep A, Kiana, for working super hard on your sounds and giving all new learning a go. Terrific job, Kiana. Prep B, Jake, for completing task sheets independently with minimal corrections. Well done. Year 1, Laura, amazing effort in maths. Your telling time skills are amazing. Year 2, Millie, for trying hard when writing and producing some well thought out handwriting. Year 3, Ben, for his enthusiasm in all lessons. Ben contributes to all class discussions with meaningful insight. Well done. Year 4, Aiden, for an amazing improvement in his reading. Well done, Aiden. Year 5, Kelly, for demonstrating persistence when working on challenging math concepts. Keep up the hard work. Year 6, Olivia, for amazing work effort in all subjects and for having fantastic bookwork. It is beautiful. Well done.
Well done, boys and girls. Give them a round of applause. Excellent. Dylan will call out behaviour certificates now. Here you go, Dylan.
Prep A, Carson, for always being an active learner and respectively joining in during whole class learning. Keep up the fantastic work. Prep B, Olivia, for raising your hand and participating in group discussions. Great to hear your voice. Year 1, Carson, for working hard to settle into the Year 1 classroom. Keep up the behaviour. Great. Year 2, Huxley, for being thoughtful and helping those around him. Year 3, Jet, for settling into GGSS life in such a positive way. We are lucky to have you. Year 4, Bridget Stocks, for displaying exemplary behaviour in all situations. Well done, Bridget. Year 5, Jack, for demonstrating amazing behaviour inside and outside. You are a wonderful addition to the Year 5 classroom. Year 6, Byron, for displaying an amazing effort in all your work. I'm loving your enthusiasm.
Excellent. Give those boys and girls a round of applause. Thank you very much, captains. Our behaviour focus this week is about being respectful, and it's about inviting other people to join in and play, and to also make sure that you're playing school approved games, so you're playing in the right place and you're playing games that are appropriate. But I know that Glenelg Grove kids are working hard to be kind, and being kind is making sure that you are inviting people to play with you that look like they need someone to play with, and that you're being respectful when you're playing. So let's see if we can work on that. Your teachers will talk a little bit more about that as the week goes on. Attendance this week, Year 4 won the attendance percentage with 92.4%. So well done, Grade 4. Give them a round of applause. And they have picked a song from the movie Sonic. Put your hand up if you've seen the movie Sonic, boys and girls. Has anyone seen that movie? My boys have. I haven't seen it yet. But the song they've picked is Live and Learn. So let's see if that's a great song. We might all be jumping along to that. And that's a really good thing to think about at school. We want to live and learn at school. All right, I have some B ribbons. Are you ready to see who's got some B ribbons? On 100 Bs. In Year 1 is Archie and Mia N. In Year 6 is Olivia, Elijah, Ellie Mae and Lachlan. Well done on 100 ribbons. On 200 ribbons in Year 1 is Wiley and Kaylee. In Year 6 is Dylan. Well done, Dill. Cooper, Byron, Kiara, Josh, Brock, Olivia, Lucas, Connor, Talia, Josiah, Matilda, Lily, the other Kiara, which makes me think the first one should have been Kira, and Ellie. Sorry, Year 6. Give them a round of applause. That was 200 ribbons. Big round of applause for yourself, Jill. Good work. On 300 Bs. In Prep A, Anika and Callum. In Prep B, Rachel. In Year 1, Mia J, Kaysen and Laura. In Year 4, Silas. In Year 5, Hayley, Taylor and Abby. In Year 6, Brandy, Daisy, Addison, Lucy, Phoenix, Cooper, Mackenzie, Tarrison, Serena, Sam, Josiah, Kiara, for sure Kiara that time, and Ellie. Give them a big round of applause. Well done. And on 400 Bs, from Prep A, Liara and Lily. From Prep B is Olivia and Jaden. From Year 5 is Zali, Lacey, Taylor and Madison. And from Year 6 is Brandy, Addison, Lucy, Phoenix, Mackenzie and Tarrison. Give those people a great big round of applause for 400 Bs. Mrs. Rule's doing a very good job running around handing them out. So many in Year 6. All right, some people have earned their first badge for Bs, so we've hit 500. Well done to these people. In Prep B, Marley and Dharma have a badge. Well done. And in Year 5, a badge goes to Allegra. Give them a round of applause. Good job. I got to talk, actually I've got two more things, I lied, is Scooter Club. So the Scooter Club list is done. I will put that up so you know. But for today's Scooter Club, we have from Prep, Lincoln, from Year 1, Mia N, from Year 2, Taj, from Year 3, Amelia, from Year 4, Noah, from Year 5, Georgia, and from Year 6, we've got Dylan on Scooter Club. So well done those people, and I'll put the sign up so you can see if you've got Scooter Club for this week. So well done, those people have had 100% attendance and no behaviour incidents. That makes me very proud. Boys and girls, we're changing up lunch times a little bit this week. We've added some new things to see if we can get you to be a bit excited about this. So on the day's first break, when Mrs. Pratt is in the office area doing dancing, she's going to do some art. So she's got a beautiful bird activity to work on this week, and 20 students can come into the office area to do some art this week. So if you would like to do that today, that's at first break. The library will be open first break as well. But second break, instead of going upstairs to the library, the teachers that are on duty second break in the library are going to take some activities in the garden. So if you'd like to do some tinkering in the garden, or maybe do some planting or activities. I know Hep's on the garden today and she's got something organised. Don't know what it is, but she said she'd have something exciting. Mrs. Cubis is there a couple of days as well. So the library won't be open second breaks this week, and we'll see if people want to do some nice gardening activities while it's beautiful in the sunshine. Mums and dads from Prep, if you're doing pick up again this week, we're doing it at 2:35. So that's been running smoothly. I'll try to get out this afternoon and say hello to some of you. I was sick last week, so I didn't get out to see any of you. But thank you very much for your cooperation with that. And thank you to the mums and dads that are here in the car park and still showing that social distancing. We really appreciate that. The only other thing I've got left to do is my principal's certificate. So this week I picked a preppy. I know that they're so cute. Next week I won't pick a preppy, I promise. But this preppy is always kind, and being kind is such an important skill to use, and it makes me so proud to see Glenelg Grove kids that are kind, because if you can be anything in life or in the whole wide world, the best thing you can be is to be kind. And the world needs lots more kind people. So put your hand up, boys and girls, if you're a kind person. Let me see who's kind at Glenelg Grove. Oh, look at all those boys and girls. Beautiful. All right, well, this is one kind person that I've been noticing how kind she is. And she's from Prep B, and my principal's certificate goes to Stella for being kind. So give her a great big round of applause. Well done, Miss Stella. Boys and girls, can you give a great big round of applause to the captains this morning? It is a bit weird just talking to the computer, isn't it, guys?
A bit.
It's a bit, but it's nice we can see your little faces, mums and dads. I know we sound a bit weird, but we can see the boys and girls while they're talking and we're doing assembly. I'll take a picture and put it on the Facebook page so you can see before everybody goes this time. So we can see all 8 classes. I will also upload it to our YouTube channel. I think we've got 5 subscribers now on our YouTube channel. So if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, I'll put Parade up there for those parents that can't access us through Facebook or want to watch it later. But I will post the live feed so you can look at it on Facebook later. It's lovely to do assembly this way, sitting in my office. It's so much warmer than sitting outside. But I want to say thank you to all the mums and dads that tune in to watch us. I can see your comments come up as you're posting. So Stella's mummy wrote, "Go Stella," or "Go Stelly," she wrote. So that's lovely that we are able to interact with you still. And we appreciate it. I know I look weird because I'm looking at 3 different camera points as we're going. But have a great Monday. Well, let's have a fantastic week. 2 weeks left until holidays, boys and girls. So let's make sure we are behaving and having a great time learning. We've got lots of learning to do. I'll come around and take pictures with Stella to put on Facebook, and teachers, if you can take pictures of boys and girls that got certificates or ribbons today to put on Class Dojo. Have a wonderful Monday. See you all soon. Bye.